Hello everyone, Pat Lentz here, Central Iowa Land Specialist with High Point Land Company. I hope you're all staying cool. It's been very hot and humid and that looks to continue this week. Today I want to take a quick look at farmland values in Wright County and why this market remains so strong. Wright County sits in the prairie pothole region of north central Iowa. With the proper drainage, these soils can be very productive. The average CSR2 is an 85, which tells us we're dealing with top tier ground. In 2024, the average sales price was over $13,200 per acre, roughly $155 per point. That's a very strong number, and it reflects the quality and demand in this area. As we move into 2025, we're seeing very few sales, but when the land does come up, it's bringing a premium. And why is that? It's because there's still tight supply and very high demand. Wright County land doesn't change hands often, and when it does, local buyers are ready, and they move fast. That competition helps keep values strong year after year. If you've been thinking about selling or just want to know what your land might be worth in today's market, I'd like to have a confidential conversation with you. Thanks for tuning in, and as always, feel free to reach out with any questions. Talk to you soon.